Yeah, but when my camera light's on, it's too bright. It reflects off the screen, so I'm just cruising for some lightning. It looks good. Out my tent window. Sam Houston National Forest. Ooh, there's some good ones. Temperature dropped quite a bit. Great thunder, great lightning. I always love this. My favorite times used to be when I was a kid during the monsoon season in the valley. And then in the tropics in Mexico. During the hurricane and monsoon season, the spectacular thunder and lightning. And woo, oh yeah, that's good, that's good. This is outside, of course, looking towards the east. It's Sam Houston National Forest. I love it. It's rained a lot. The last couple days it didn't rain. So it's, no matter what, hot. But the evening when it rains, it's kind of nice and cool. It's humid. I'm gonna